अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। चैतन्य शाश्वत शांतो व्योमातीतो निरंजनः बिंदु नाद कलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। We saw in detail bindu nada kalaatitah. We start from the standpoint of padartha, meaning nama, rupa. From that standpoint we saw, is it not? Whether you see from the standpoint of nama or whether you see from the standpoint of rupa, what is bindu? Bindu is that causal state with maya, that consciousness plus maya, that's the causal state. Okay, that is bindu. Why it is that we saw, no more discussion. Then you have nada. From the standpoint of nama, nada is what? Is that pranava, omkara. And what is kala from the standpoint of nama? All the various names, all the various padas, words, everything. Now when you go to rupa, what is bindu? Again the same causal state of consciousness plus maya. That is bindu. Then when you come to nada, and what is nada here? Nada is shabda. Shabda, it represents akasha. Because akasha is that only element which is shabda, nada as its property. Right? Akasha is the first element, the subtlest. So nada is that sukshma. Karana, and then you come to sukshma. And then you have kala. What is kala? Kala is the various manifestations of that sukshma in the level of stula, as various objects, as various forms. So, bindu, nada, kala, whether you look from the standpoint of nama or rupa, represents what? Karana, sukshma and stula of the entire prapancha. Am I audible? Of the entire, slightly more, of the entire prapancha. Okay, we have seen this. Now, we'll just see what is, because bindu, nada, kala is there, but you also have one more expression, very well known, which is nada bindu kala. Our Chinmaya Vibhuti, those of you who know Pune, Chinmaya Vibhuti, we have the famous Nada Bindu, Chinmaya Nada Bindu we have. What is Nada Bindu? All arts, music, dance, all of them, the focus, that's the focus of, it's a Gurukula for these arts. Some of you may know, okay, Nada Bindu. That's a very, very beautiful name given by Pujya Guruji for that Gurukula. It is also part of the university, Chinmaya Vishwavidyapeeth. Okay? Well, that's a different, later on you can get to know more about it. So there you have Nada Bindu Kala. So Nada Bindu Kala, what does it mean? You see here, Bindu Nada Kala changed into Nada Bindu Kala. The famous Arunagiri Nathar, the most worshipful Arunagiri Nathar, for whom Lord Subramanya himself gave the Upadesha. And that famous Upadesha is Summayiru. That famous, Ramana Maharshi made it so popular. Summayiru. Summayiru means what? Very difficult to translate. Be still. I think there is somewhere also I've heard, be still and know you are God. I have heard. Maybe it is, I don't know, Bible? See, some people know. Be still and know you are God. So that famous Upadesha of Lord Subramanya to Arunagiri Nathar, be still. Summayiru. Be still communicates some doing. But Summayiru means not even that. Just be. It's very difficult to translate. Summayiru. Okay? That famous saint Arunagiri Nathar, he would say, Nada Bindu Kalati Namo Nama Veda Mantra Swarupa Namo Nama. Like that, a large composition. Someone who knows can practice and sing sometime. Beautiful. There you have Nada Bindu Kala. And then he says Nada Bindu Kala Atitaha. As I told you, these words are esoteric in meaning. Esoteric in meaning means they have some mystical, you cannot just see the words as they are and get your meaning. There, what does Nada mean? Nada means Pranava. Pranava Nada is well known. Nada is Pranava. Pranava, Omkara. Okay? And what is Omkara? Omkara is Bhagavan. Omkara is God. Omkara is the name of God. Om. Om iti Brahma. Om is the name of God. Okay? Ishvara. I'm using the word Ishvara. Ishvara. And Ishvara's tattva is Brahman. Sachidananda. Jiva is individual. Jiva's tattva is Sachidananda. So from the standpoint of tattva, Advaita Vedanta points out oneness. Advaita. Wave's tattva is H2O. Ocean's tattva is H2O. So from that standpoint of tattva, tattva means reality. So Ishvara is Omkara. Lord. So that is Nada. So Nada represents Ishvara. What is Bindu? When that Ishvara, when that ultimate reality or that creation, that reality becomes self-aware. Becomes self-aware. That ripple of awareness. Bindu means focus. Bindu means concentration. Bindu is a thought of focus. So when that first thought arises, that's Bindu. What is that first thought at the level of that ultimate reality? I am. That is the first. You also, when you wake up, What is the first thought? I don't know. What is my first thought? My first thought is, what is the time? Second thought is, time for Vedic chanting. Then third thought is what? I have got up. Fourth thought is what? Run! No. First thought is that I am. When you wake up also, your first thought will be I am. At the level of the individual also, first thought is I am. At the level of totality also, first thought is I am. At the level of the individual, first thought is I am. Then only what is the time? That I am is that identifying thought. You become aware of yourself as the body, mind and intellect. At the level of the cosmos, at the level of that reality, the first thought is what? I am. The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad and all these things are discussed. Okay? Not for satsang, I should not go into all kinds of details. I'll just give the essence. Okay? So that becomes what? Nada is Ishvara, Bindu is the awareness. And what is Kala? Kala is a manifestation of the Creator. As the entire variety of names and forms. Kala means manifestation. Alright? So that is what? Nada, Bindu, Kala. And what is that final highest reality? Nada, Bindu, Kala, Atitaha. What is that? Chaitanyaha. Ishvara's reality. Bhagavan's reality. What is it, Bhagavan's reality? Consciousness. The reality of the ocean, H2O. Like that, the reality of the totality of that Ishvara. Is what? Is that Chaitanya. Chaitanyaha Shashvataha Shantaha Vyomatitaha Bindu Nada Kalatitaha. And who is that? That consciousness is my Guru. That consciousness is Chinmaya. That consciousness is Tejomaya. That consciousness is Swarupamaya. To my Guru, I offer my salutations. That. So Guru should not be seen as a person. Guru is Bhagavan. Guru is more than Bhagavan. Guru is beyond all description. Guru is what? Chaitanyaha, Shashvataha, Shantaha, Vyomatitaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave namah. Right? So now the highest reality of Guru has been explained. Now that reality of Guru as the highest reality is brought to us as Bhagavan. That's the next verse. Okay? Jnana Shakti Samarudaha Tattvamala Vibhushitaha Bhukti Mukti Pradhatacha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This we will take up in the session tomorrow. Okay? We devoted good time for Chaitanya Shashvata Shanto. It's a very, very deep verse. Okay. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ हर हर नमः पार्वतीपतये हर महादेव सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गो श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।